wash away from my heart this pain. Let the rain fall down and
Said he was Christian.
Yes.
He never was.
But was he?
He wasn't Christian.
What's your family?
His family, not him.
Catholic. Okay.
His family,
So
not him.
okay, Victor. Where's Victor? So
You said you're lying, man.
no, I'm not lying. Let me, Alex.
I'm gonna show you. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was
God.
God. One
So wait,
14.
can I?
And the Word became flesh.
Flesh.
Listen to this. And
You think we
dwelt
haven't read
among-
this?
No, he is.
He's read it. Trust me.
What means that? In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was the Word was
God.
God.
my heart sings for the saving grace of the Lord's precious.
The beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was the Word was
God.
God.
Fall down, my soul cried.
And the Word became
Flesh.
flesh. Who's the one who became flesh? Who's the one?
Are you asking or are you talking?
I'm just trying to.
Are you speaking to me or him? Why not to me?
Because he's.
We were having a
I'm
conversation.
feeling sorry about him.
You're feeling sorry for him?
And the Word became flesh.
So why don't you-
and dwelt among us. Who is the one who became flesh? Who's the one?
Well, read it here. You can read it.
No, you told me. Who's the one who became flesh?
It says, "Word
The
became
Word.
flesh."
And the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was,
The Word was God.
and the Word became flesh. And what it says, and we beheld His glory, the glory as of the one begotten of the Father, full of grace and truth. You know who this is? Jesus Christ. You are just watching the gospel.
I'm listening to you.
He is perfect before me, for He was before me. And of His fullness we have all received, and grace for grace. For the law was given through Moses, but grace and truth came through
So I see Moses and Jesus.
Jesus Christ. The grace came, the truth came through Jesus Christ, who was the Word, who is God.